In the concrete industry, pouring a flat level slab is a critical first step in any job site build. For foremen and superintendents looking to save time, improve quality, and prevent costly rework, the new FARO Flatness Check app is ideal. The Flatness Check app allows you to collect and register scans in real time to analyze specific locations set to your project's tolerances. Flatness Check enables the immediate visualization of floor flatness and floor levelness. It does so in real time with an augmented reality colorized heat map generated from point cloud data collected by a FARO Focus Laser Scanner. Integrated with Sphere, FARO's cloud-based platform, now other involved parties and trades can better coordinate their work and share their progress. Detect uneven areas in just minutes and fix those deviations fast, even while the concrete is still wet. This ensures that schedules are kept and projects are completed with faster and less waste. A standard iPad is all it takes. Download in the Apple Store or through a link in the FARO Sphere portal. When there's no tolerance for out of tolerance. When quality control means a structure that stands the test of time. When cutting-edge 3D technology separates leaders from the followers. There's FARO. Follow the leader.